brown tips, yellow fronds, a parlor palm that should be thriving, but isn't. Low light isn't the problem. Watering might not be either. The real issue is something most owners completely overlook. If your parlor palm is developing brown, crispy leaf tips, or its vibrant green fronds are turning a pale, sickly yellow, your plant is likely struggling with water quality or dry indoor air. While this palm is famous for surviving in low light, it is highly sensitive to the minerals in our tap water and the lack of humidity in our homes. The parlor palm, or Chamaedorea elegans, is one of the most popular indoor palms in the world. Known for its delicate, arching fronds and slow, manageable growth, it has been a staple of interior design since the Victorian era, prized for its ability to thrive where other plants fail. Known scientifically as Chamaedorea elegans, it belongs to the Araceaceae family. Unlike the massive palms you see outdoors, this species is naturally small and compact, making it the perfect true palm for indoor living. You can recognize a parlor palm by its thin reed-like stems and its soft pinnate leaves. It grows in dense clumps, creating a lush forest-like canopy that remains elegant even as the plant matures. The parlor palm is a small, woody perennial palm. It is exceptionally slow-growing, often taking years to reach its maximum indoor height, which makes it an ideal choice for tabletops or office desks. This palm is native to the dense rainforests of southern Mexico and Guatemala. In the wild, it grows as an understory plant, meaning it lives in the permanent shadow of much larger trees, protected from direct sunlight and harsh winds. Because of its rainforest origins, we recommend placing your parlor palm in bright, indirect light. It is one of the few palms that can tolerate lower light levels, but we must warn you, direct afternoon sun will quickly scorch and bleach the delicate fronds. Watering is where most parlor palm owners struggle. We suggest keeping the soil consistently moist during the spring and summer, but never soggy. In the winter, allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering again. Most importantly, we recommend using filtered or distilled water to prevent the salt and fluoride buildup that causes brown tips. A high-quality peat-based potting mix is ideal for this plant. It needs a soil that retains some moisture but still allows for excellent aeration. We suggest using a pot with a drainage hole to ensure that the roots never sit in stagnant water, which can lead to root rot. When buying a parlor palm, look for deep green fronds and a full bushy base. We suggest avoiding plants that have visible webbing, a sign of spider mites, or those with significant browning at the center of the clump, as this indicates a history of poor watering. The parlor palm rarely grows taller than 1 meter indoors. Maintenance is simple. We suggest regularly wiping the fronds with a damp cloth to remove dust. This not only keeps the plant looking beautiful, but also helps prevent common pests like spider mites. Interestingly, the parlor palm is one of the few indoor palms that will flower at a young age. It produces small, yellow, bead-like flowers on branched stalks. While these aren't traditional petals, they add a unique, prehistoric texture to the plant. Propagation is typically done by seed, which is a very slow process. We do not recommend trying to divide a parlor palm, as their root systems are extremely fragile and they often suffer from transplant shock. It is usually best to buy a clump that is already established. The parlor palm is incredibly resilient to neglect. Its ability to tolerate low light, low humidity, and fluctuating temperatures is what made it a parlor favorite in the days before modern heating and electricity. Beyond its decorative charm, the parlor palm is a top performer in air purification. It is particularly effective at removing ammonia and formaldehyde from the air, making it a functional addition to any home office or bedroom. Common problems found in Parlor Palm plants. Brown leaf tips, usually caused by tap water chemicals or low humidity. Yellowing fronds, a sign of overwatering or the soil staying too wet for too long. Fine webbing, a sign of spider mites, which love the dry, thin leaves of this palm. Let's recap. Chamaedorea elegans thrives in bright, indirect light, but tolerates low light. Use filtered water to prevent brown, crispy tips. Keep the soil moist, but ensure excellent drainage. It is a slow-growing, air-purifying plant that is easy to maintain. Great news for pet owners. The Parlor Palm is entirely non-toxic to cats and dogs. It is one of the safest plants you can introduce to a home with curious animals. Interesting fact, the Parlor Palm was so fashionable in the 19th century that it became a status symbol. Owning a healthy, large palm was a way for Victorian families to demonstrate their wealth and their ability to care for something exotic and delicate in a cold climate. At Plantopedia, we appreciate the Parlor Palm for being a plant of elegance and history. By providing it with the cool, bright conditions it loves and keeping a watchful eye for pests, you can bring a piece of the classic English countryside into your home. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube.